Guys, it's day number 4 here in Spain. I'm going to meet up with my friends because I actually have some, and today is the Worlds, so that's what I'm doing. We're going to Worlds. What are those?
5. Oh, we're gonna get donuts.
Donuts?
Yeah,
let's go get donuts. Yeah. Hello. Hola. Wow. People here in Spain are so friendly. It's a good day. It's gonna be a good time. We're gonna blow some up. We're out here vlogging. We are doing it big. What's up, guys? Hey, guys. We're doing huge things. We don't do big things here in Spain. We do big things. We do bigger things. Hola. Hello. We're taking the metro. Okay, we have no idea what we're doing.
Excuse me. I'll help out.
We don't understand.
I need help.
Here, buy a Lambo.
Oh, sick.
Where do I get it?
Oh, goodo. It's right there.
Whoop. And we in here. We doing it big. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Whoa. Hey Dylan, you're the biggest baguette. You're such a baguette. You are the biggest baguette I've ever met. You scooter baguette. Came out back to visit this donut place that we came to last year. They have like the best donuts and it was a success.
Dude, best donuts ever.
Corey's gonna sneak into the Young Metro. Watch this. Young Metro. Young Metro. Look where we ended up. Day 2. We're buying more fireworks. Look at the options.
Just
bang bang.
These are legal.
This is the stash for today.
72 in one box.
We got 4 boxes.
How good's your maths?
I don't know, not very good. We're your best customers.
Yeah. Oh, it's for YouTube.
You are the best customers.
We are.
We've bought so many fireworks in the past 2 days.
If you come here,
too many. Bro, there's just random slides everywhere. What the heck is this? There's just a hill with a bunch of slides on them. They don't slide very well, but they work. Oh!
Shoot.
Get him, I. Bye.
He doesn't know what that means.
He is so stoked on life. This is the greatest thing he's ever done. Hi, ready?
Where are your helmets?
Oh, you dog.
Dude, what the heck?
First try. Oh.
Yes. You almost did land the bar spin.
Took 30 tries. We're causing more destruction here.
Setting up the DSLR so we can get that slow-mo clips for you guys.
Whoa, that was so. Very nice efforts with that.
Thank you.
Whoa!
I got sand all over me.
Those are like the best.
We already have. We already have. Here? Yeah, we let off a demolition. No fucking way.
So we just got down to Forum Skate Park, and there's heaps of people here, all the riders from the contest. So we're just gonna, you know, have a bit of a film and a ride. Oh. Go, Dante.
Hi. About to send a flip
from
drop.
all
Probably
around
gonna
the world.
die.
They're everywhere.
What?
What? Is you being a wanker?
Double flip.
Imagine you just like.
Yep.
From skate park.
We're leaving the skate park and we're
Yeah,
gonna go get caffeinated.
Caffeinated.
Try it out.
What do I do?
So different. Tell us what's going on.
Just talking some smack with the boys. How do I stop, man?
No, you can't stop.
I need to stop, dude.
Where are we?
Fuck, I can't.
Turn it around.
At the beer tent. Dude,
You're learning.
you need to stop. Shout out to Tanner Fox Vlogs.
Alright, right now I'm watching the best trick for scootering. Hello! The actual Worlds don't start till 6 tonight. This is the scooter best trick. What's your name?
My name's Tanner Fox.
Oh, okay. Cool. Dude, why can't I do that? So we just came back to the hotel to chill for a little bit before we had to go the ISAs, and sadly it started raining. I don't know how well you can see that, and it was just snowing for a second. It looked like it stopped for a sec, but yeah, it's raining, so I don't know how the Worlds is gonna happen, but I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, in case you guys were wondering, fireworks are legal here. We have bought them on the street, as you guys would have saw.
You only have to be 12. So
You only have to be 12 to buy fireworks.
I just turned 12, so it's okay.
So this is how
called a
you pass time when it's pouring rain.
This is called a syllabub.
Get rid of that bitch! Get rid of that bitch! Okay. Okay. Spain. Oh my god, the lighting is beautiful like this.
You look stunning.
Thanks, bro. So it's still wet outside, so this is what we're working with right now. I made a paper airplane, and as you can see, we have 3 fireworks in there. We're not sure how it's gonna go, but we're gonna use this sticker as tape because we don't have stickers, and then we're gonna light it, throw it out the window, and hopefully it explodes midair, because it'll be really funny.
So close.
Oh, oh, I didn't see it. Alright, take 2. This is our airplane. I added a firecracker up here that we're not gonna light because it'll weight it out more, so it won't go backwards like it did.
Yes. Yes.
Success! Go, 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 let it go! No! Yes! Yes, this is so fun! We're making custom firework bombs. And then we're gonna go outside and light them off. Look, and we're wrapping them in special T-Fox and Fox Fam stickers.
It's legit going to be lit. Alright, so we're letting off our custom made one. This one's the one where it goes really weird. Okay,
What the f?
Get rid of that bitch! Heads up! What?
How good was that?
That was such a good idea.
Like,
Hi.
Can I take a photo with you?
Yeah.
Yeah, Baba.
Is this a video or a photo?
It's both.
Oh my god.
Cool, thank you.
Oh my god, it's Jordan Clark.
Get go, chuck it, chuck it. Oh! He's Those are so good. Such a good idea. Oh my god. Or do you mind?
40.
This is my invention. Here we go.
Looks like a.
It looks horrible. Oh! I think that what we did was a very
That
good
was
idea.
good.
That was definitely worth the efforts. Rest in peace, Fox fan. So ISA's got rained out, so that'll be tomorrow at 8 a.m. So I have to wake up super early for that. So I just finished editing this video, and this is the outro of it. So thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in tomorrow's video.